your first big role and you have to rehearse a huge crying scene. You go through the scene once and make sure you can burst into tears because that is what the script says. But the director decides to keep rehearsing it over and over and over again. So you keep crying over and over and over and over again. And the seventh time you burst into tears, the lead actor takes you to the side and says, "Save it for the camera." This is what happened to me. I'd only been acting professionally for 2 years. And I thought rehearsal was memorizing your lines at home and then coming to the set prepared with your lines and ready to shoot. There was no distinction for me between on-set rehearsal and on-set performance. I was so wrong. There is a huge difference. I had the honor and the privilege early in my career to work with a fantastic actor by the name of Hector Elizondo. I had been cast in a movie starring and produced by Eric Estrada, who played my brother, and Hector played our dad. We were rehearsing a very emotional scene where I had to cry. And I started bursting out crying every time we did the rehearsal. And after the seventh time of me, Hector took me to the side and he said, "Don't give it all away in rehearsal." He taught me to use the rehearsal to walk through, discover, and figure out some nuances to layer the scene with. But during rehearsal, be careful not to waste your energy, but save your full performance for the actual take. He showed me how to take care of myself as an actor and not blow my wad before I got in front of that camera. It's actually a skill set I also use when I'm doing stage acting. Sometimes as new actors, we want to impress everybody and we want them to see how prepared and how professional we are. We get so excited that we end up giving up the goods too early. You know, kind of like a bad date. The purpose of rehearsal is to discover your environment, discover your location, discover the character, discover what you want. Use the rehearsal to layer in nuances so you can make your performance better. Ask yourself questions like, who is this character? Where am I? I'm in a bedroom? Whose bedroom am I in? All those questions you start answering will start to give you incredible amounts of nuances that add to your performance. How you use the rehearsal process separates the professionals from the newbies. So let me know in the comments below what rookie mistakes you've done in the rehearsal process, so your fellow common sensors can learn from it too. If you enjoyed this video, type in "save it for the camera" in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.